Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're making a relatively simple paracord keychain / name tag. These are excellent for marking various items, usually backpacks. We start off with a piece of hardware, be it a snap hook, keyring, carabiner, you have a lot of options. We're going to grab our first piece of paracord 550, about 4 feet long, and we're going to attach it onto our hardware using a lark's head knot. Next, we introduce our second piece of paracord 550. This one is about 2.5 feet long. I'm going to slide it through the lark's head knot, then tighten up. We're going to begin our main piece of knotwork, which is going to be a series of cow hitches. So first on the right side, super simple, basically just 2 hitches. So this is the first cow hitch. I'm going to repeat this 2 more times for a total of 3 cow hitches. Now how many you do basically depends on the size of the center bead of this flower. Usually 3 is a good number. So now we begin on the left side, same thing, 3 cow hitches. So our knots. We continue by adding a center bead. So grab a bead and a short piece of cord. Now in my case I'm using a lacing needle, but this is not absolutely needed. I'm simply going to attach or stitch in my piece of cord, which is going to hold the bead. So the center bead. I'm now going to form my cow hitches around the bead, basically forming a flower. At the bottom, I'm going to finish up the flower, locking it in place. Attaching both ends with a single hitch. So on the left side, continuing on the right side, so that's the flower. All we're going to do now is gradually tighten everything up and form the knots around the bead. So quite a bit of tightening to get everything right. We're continuing our work with a knife lanyard knot, which is basically going to lock all of our ends into place. Our knife lanyard knot is now tied. I'm going to square it up a bit, lightly tighten it up, then pass all of my remaining ends through the center of the knife lanyard knot. So just to lock them into place. I'm now going to tighten up the knife lanyard knot, starting with the strands coming out of the flower, going through the knot, and pulling the slack from the knot into the ends. I'm going to do this a couple of times to really make a tight knot. Next, I'm going to grab some letter beads. You have a lot of options online, in stores. And I'm going to attach my lettering onto one of the cords. You can do a name, last name, company, whatever you would like to spell out. I'm going to add in a couple of optional decorative beads. And I'm going to finish up my strands using blood knots. You could also just use overhand knots. Blood knots are basically an overhand knot with an extra turn. So 2 turns, then you dress the knot like you would a Matthew Walker knot. Like this. So it looks like an X shape. Now for a final trim. Melt. And our project is complete. Super simple, nice looking, yet unique. For now guys, I would like to sincerely thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope it was clear enough. It is an easy project, so you should get the hang of it quite quickly. Thank you and see you next time.